Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy S24 or 25 Plus or Ultra models. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting a Gear button. And then you want to go and select the Notifications button and scroll down underneath General, select Do Not Disturb. So if you want to turn off Do Not Disturb, you see it says Turn Off Now, go ahead and select it. Conversely, if it says Turn On Now, you can select that option as well. And if you scroll down, you can make additional settings like scheduling when you want Do Not Disturb to turn on, as well as if you want certain apps and people like contacts on your phone to override Do Not Disturb settings if you want certain messages to come through regardless. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.